Hi, good morning everybody. Okay, what is a successful heavenly travel Messiah? Simply put, the faith of a heavenly travel Messiah is the faith trodden by our true parents. Okay, let's read true parents' word together. You need to organize a new Israel centering on your spiritual sons and daughters, just as I found and established 36 couples, 72 couples, and 120 couples, centering on 12 couples. You must follow the exact same path. Okay, we read the very important part again. You must follow the exact same faith. Again, read. You must follow the exact same pace. We can say that the ultimate mission of the Heavenly Parents' holy community is to multiply the blessing, right? From True Parents' holy wedding on April 11th in 1960 to the three-couple blessing on April 16th, and then to the 33 couples blessing on May 15th in 1961. The blessing was spread through these 36 couples and then to 72 couples and 120 couples, and it became more and more great spreading. And that is history. If we analyze this systematically, we can say that is the multiplication of the Trinity. What? It is the multiplication of the Trinity. Right. Yes. This means that in order to fulfill our responsibility by following this lead by true faith, we must indeed become heavenly travel messiahs. And in order to start this journey, we must first become perfect individuals. First, perfect individuals. Form a perfect family and realize Trinity with our own families. Based on this, we can multiply our families to 12, 36, 72, 120, and 430 families. This means that we are to follow the strategic method of multiplying families through first forming a Trinity. Okay, let's take a look at this pyramid. The basic numbers for becoming a heavenly travel messiah are 1, 3, and 12. What is more important than the number 430? Is the number 3. 3 couples become one with the leader and then multiply to 12 couples. The 12 on the pyramid signifies a result of the Trinity process. Home group and Fundok family church meaning the same thing. In other words, Trinity is the method of multiplying Fundok family churches. To begin forming a home group, you have to ask it yourself. First, do I have 12 spiritual children? Do I have 12 spiritual children? If you set your goal to accomplish 430 couples from the beginning, a long approach will be used. You must first make a goal to create the Trinity in your family and tribe first before multiplying from 3 to 430 couples. Your 12 spiritual children should not be people that you just gather randomly. They should be people who have grown through the gradual training. This is our key point for today. Without the basis of 3 and 12 couples, your tribe cannot grow to a large scale. Okay, the core contents of this Heavenly Tribal Messiah textbook lead us to follow preference strategy. The definition of Heavenly Tribal Messiah activity is the process of building Heavenly Parents' holy community through the multiplying Trinity homes. To begin, we must first form a Trinity wherever we reside. This could also be called the home group Trinity. And through this, we can build the Heavenly Parents' holy community. Right? Next, you must continuously organize the home group report meeting. Although the family 훈독회 is important, it is crucial to organize 3-cycle home group meetings centering on offering 정성. You know 정성? After this, you should then establish an education system for your tribe. This education system is called 효정 Leader School 1, 2, and 3. You can all learn this process and establish your tribe in a similar manner. Okay, where do we stand now? Please take a look at the top and bottom course diagrams. When we are the top or bottom course, it is still possible to follow the process I explained and establish our tribes. The diagrams represent 2 different scenarios. In the top course, you build the tribe step by step, starting from 3 couples. In the bottom course, since you have already blessed 430 couples, you can start from a Trinity backward. This means continuous organization of a home group report meeting through the offering 정성 and education them on the 3 cycle by home group. We simply being the Trinity. These are we have 12 topics we will share during the courses of CLS class. They will not necessarily be discussed in this specific order. Number 1, forming a Trinity. Number 2, Trinity activities. Number 3, relations between small group. Number 4, reporting 정성. Number 5, understanding of 16 weeks reporting. Number 6, home group report gathering. Number 7, 16 weeks report gathering. Number 8, home group character. Number 9, managing an organization. Number 10, create the vision. 11, leader school. 12, happy day. During this class, I hope you can learn many things through the process of this session and become nations that will bring victory on Heavenly Tribal Messiahs. Thank you. Thank you very much for your great sharing. Thanks. Next time we will meet with the theme of Trinity formation. Thank you very much. See you again. Thank you very much. See you again.